This self-adhering MFM Peel and Seal roofing roll gives a durable, waterproof barrier on tricky areas like metal roofs, mobile homes, and recreational vehicles, without needing extra layers. Its aluminum composite foil and polymer film construction reflects a surprising amount of heat, helping keep interior spaces cooler in strong sun. The rubberized asphalt backing sticks firmly once the surface is properly cleaned and primed, creating a tight seal that resists wind, rain, and long-term weathering. Because it comes in a wide continuous roll with guidelines along the edges, it is easy to cut to length and align neatly even for do-it-yourself users. Installation is straightforward with no special tools required beyond a hand roller and a sharp knife, which makes small repairs and full sections of roofing practical to handle in a single afternoon. Beyond roofs, it works well as flashing around vents, chimneys, ducts, and gutters, so one roll can solve several common leak and moisture problems around a building.